What is up everyone and welcome back to Quick Hopper. In today's video, I'll show you how to unrestrict someone you have restricted on Messenger. It's fast and easy, so let's start. First, make sure that your Messenger app is already updated. So if it's not, go hop in your App Store in iPhone or Play Store when you are using Android device. If it's already updated, all you need to do is to open your Messenger app in your device. Next, click on the three-dot icon in the upper left corner of your screen. Then click on the gear icon to access settings. After that, scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. Click on it. Next, click on Restricted Accounts. And here, you'll see the list of Facebook accounts that you have restricted. Simply click on the account that you want to unrestrict. Finally, click on the Unrestrict button at the bottom of your screen. And there you have it. You have successfully unrestricted someone on Messenger. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.